kayaking with these kayaks under a bridge. I don't know. Oh, I hate this part.
Oh my gosh, I think I just got it in my hand.
I hate this.
Should I get in the position you are?
It's getting shallower. Oh my god.
What?
I don't know if I can fit.
Oh, okay. Ow, my legs hurt. Wait, what? We're already at this part?
The middle.
Oh, Liz! I forgot how high it was. See, there's like no space.
No, it's fine. I can just go in and reach them and fall. Only fit like this.
Like that?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I've got plenty of space.
Should I come in right after you?
If you want to. I hate this.
Yeah, I know. I want to kayak more. I'll just give you a rental support. I can't even get over there.
There's barely any room. No, you're not.
I can't get to my paddle. There we go. Can it climb?
Leo!
What?
Oh my god.
What's going on?
Am I
You're
doing?
going through.
Yeah,
What are you doing?
paddling.
How much space is there?
There's plenty.
Should I come?
You need a small head though.
I don't know about that.
No turning back now.
Are you through?
I'm almost.
Yes!
Yes! Oh my god, that was creepy.
You didn't even see it.
But how can a turn be epic?
Gosh, this thing's so shallow. Oh my gosh, we climbed.
Or I meant kayak. Wow, Leo's. Right, you were like, ow! Come on, Emily. Leo, I'm gonna get hypothermia before we're even in the water. Ah!
Oh.
There goes my boots.
What, yes, Ian?
Yeah. Brr. Pretty deep. But deeper over there.
Not that scary.
It's pretty scary.
Huh?
It's really pipe I've ever seen.
Is there even a bottom to this thing?
Oh!
I have to lie down.
Holy.
Ian, I can't paddle in the pipe. You're right next to me.
I fit. We did it.
Neat. It's big and it's like iron.
Oh, I got cut, I think.
What?
Yeah.
Come on, right? You're ready for this.
This is Leo going into the pipe.
Wow, that was actually the easiest thing ever.
And then this is me going in the pipe. I just touched the pipe with my paddle. Oh, and I'm soaked even more. I dipped. It's,
Kayak is gained like 20.
wow, I hate this.
Ian, if we get out through here, it'll be a lot easier, but
I hate this.
Ian, remember, we have to
Hey, times 2. Let's go.
do this. I'll never forget this.
Either one.
This is actually awesome.
Oh, wow, this is pretty cool.
What?
I hate dipping my hand in water I can't even see.
Bruh. You don't have it as bad as me. I can't lie going on myself.
Yes, you can.
I can't figure out when it's over.
Leo, are you in?
No, not yet, but I'm about to be.
My legs! I lost.
My legs can't fit. Ian, I can't fit.
Take off your boots.
Even if I lie like, no matter what.
Ah! Hell.
Oh, it's a good way. How are you lying?
I'm getting frostbite. Leo, you just look.
No, I can't.
Okay, this is the scariest thing I've ever done.
Then I get stuck.
Let's go! Ow! Is this scary?
Yeah.
We've done it! Let's go!